Moral story Honey Bunny.
This is a story of an adorable bunny named Honey. His mother called him Honey Bunny. There is a ritual in Rabbit's colony that when the bunny reaches a certain age, they have to learn some skills and complete a course. And for that, they have to go to a school far away for 6 months. Now, Honey Bunny had reached the age for going school. His mother announced this to Honey Bunny. He became nervous and worried as he was timid and clingy. His mother told him, "You have to learn these skills to be successful. Everyone your age is going. Don't worry, my child, everything will be fine." Next day, Honey Bunny was ready to leave. He said goodbye to his mother and hopped a bit far. Then he stopped. He looked back at his mother. His mother saw him hesitant and nervous. So she came to him and said, "Go, my child, learn and explore the world. I love you." Honey Bunny went away. His mother stood there and saw him going. 5 days later, when Mother Rabbit was making a loom, she heard a voice. "Mom, Mom!" Mother Rabbit saw Honey surprisingly. "Why are you here? Shouldn't you be at school?" Honey Bunny said, "Mom, I was missing you so much, so I skipped school and came back to you. I will return to school after a few days." "I missed you too, Honey, but that's not the right thing. You should not skip your classes," Mother replied. "You are going back to school tomorrow." Honey Bunny went back to school the very next day. After 5 days, Honey Bunny was home again. His mother was making a loom in a free time. Mother saw him and asked, "Why are you here?" Honey Bunny said, "I was missing you so much. I was missing home. I want a break. I want to be here for a few days. Then I'll be back." "No," Mother said loudly. "Honey, I told you last time not to skip school. It's not the right thing. Be regular so you can learn on time." The next day, Mother sent him back to school. 5 days later, Honey came home again. Mom, I'm here." Honey came hopping to his mom. As Mother saw Honey Bunny again at home, she got angry. When Honey came, she was making a loom. She picked up the scissors and cut the loom that she made in the last 15 days. Honey was shocked when he saw his mother cutting the loom aggressively, as she loved to loom and she made it all with her heart. Honey Bunny asked, "What are you doing, Mom? Why are you cutting this beautiful loom?" Mother said, "This is exactly what you are doing to your studies. By skipping school again and again, you're just wasting your time and energy and also making a mess. You won't be able to learn this way." Mother explained, "Honey, by skipping classes, you would return to zero again and again, and this made a mess like this loom." Honey understood what his mother was trying to teach him. Next day, he got ready and promised his mother that he would not return unless he completed his course. Mother appreciated. By saying goodbye, Honey went back to school, happily and courageously. Mother smiled as she saw him with an aim. Honey learned all the skills they taught there. He became the best student. He never skipped school and learned his heart out. He completed each and every task on time. He enjoyed his time there. By completing his course after 6 months, he returned to his mother. Mother was cooking a porridge for him. He peeked into a room and said, "Mommy!" Mother was delighted to see him home. He greeted his mother and ran to her. Mother said, "Honey Bunny, my child, I missed you so much as you were away from me for 6 months, but it was also necessary for you. Now that you have completed the course, you are welcome here." Mother picked him up and kissed him on the forehead with affection.
To become successful, hard work, dedication, and consistency and discipline is necessary. The end. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun stories and more.